This video, I'll show you how to fix the CLS issue in the Shopify application. For that, the process is very simple and easy. And if you're new to the channel, make sure that you hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future update, and subscribe to our channel as well, and like the video and comment under the video. So CLS is a basic issue, and it actually affects your turnout rate and your ROI and your business sales. Because if the user is not gonna go to your website and feel comfortable, and it flags, the user will have a very bad impact, and it will have a bad impact on the user as well. So how to fix that issue is by following these 6 simple steps. So number one is specify the image dimensions. One of the most common reasons for the layout shifts is that the browser does not know the size of the image beforehand, so it needs to reflow the page when the image to load. To fix this, you should specify the dimensions, width and height of your image in your HTML or CSS. In your example page, some images don't have dimensions specified, which could be causing the layout shift. Second thing is lazy loading. If you have a lot of images or other resources on your product page, lazy loading can help to improve CLS by delaying the loading of the image until they are actually needed. This prevents them from pushing other elements around as they loaded. So the next step is minimize the DOM size. Large amount of DOM elements can also contribute to the layout shifts. And the other step is the optimize CSS. Make sure that your CSS basic sort of things that are required to create a best CSS for the web page. The other thing is the user browser cache and CDN. So using browser caching and a content delivery network, CDN can help to reduce the loading time of the product page, which can reduce the chances of the layout shift. By chancing your resources on the user's device, distributing them across multiple servers, you can improve the loading speed of your pages. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.